How to redeem Amazon gift card. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem Amazon gift card. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Amazon application on your device. Here, on the bottom toolbar, tap on the person-like icon you see there. In the interface that you will be led to, tap on the Your Account option you see there and further scroll down to the Payments tab, and under the Payments tab, you will see the option for Manage Gift Card Balance. Tap on that. You will now be able to see your gift card balance and also be able to redeem another gift card. So, tap on the Redeem Another Gift Card option you see there. You can now redeem your gift card by scanning your code by tapping on the Scan Your Code to Claim option, or you can simply enter your claim code that you have received. Once you have entered the code, tap on the Apply to Your Balance button, and with this your code will be redeemed. So, this is how you can redeem Amazon gift card. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.